Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix can't uninstall Valorant. To start, press Start and select Settings. Here, go to Apps and then tap on Installed Apps. In this new window, locate Valorant. You will click on the three dots and select Uninstall. Click again on Uninstall. You are going to wait for Valorant to be uninstalled from Windows 11. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After that, access the File Explorer from the taskbar. Then, open the path where Valorant has been installed. You can find it in the Riot Games folder. Upon accessing it, select the Valorant folder and click Delete. Then in the search box enter %local app data %, click on Open. In this window, look for a Valorant folder. If you see any, you should delete them. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.